Did you know that your phone is constantly tracking you, what you do on it? It is listening all your conversations through the mic. It monitors which apps do you use, what you write, and what you want to find out on the internet. And you know what's the most dangerous part? These features are by default enabled on every phone, including yours. So today I'm going to tell you how you can disable these features in this video. So step 1, open the setting app on your phone, then scroll down and look for the Google app. Click on that. Within the Google app, you will have two tabs, recommended and all services. Click on all services. Then you need to scroll down to look for the privacy and security options. Within the privacy and security, you need to click this personalize using shared data, and you will find all the apps that are installed on your mobile. You need to make sure that this toggle switches off for all the apps. You don't want the personalization on any of the apps. Now go back by clicking this back button, and then staying within the privacy and setting, click on this usage and diagnostics. And here you need to again switch off both the toggle switches to disable the tracking. Okay, next, for the last feature that you need to disable, click on back and go back to the main Google services and look for the ads. Click on it. Here you will see the reset advertising ID. You need to click it to reset so that whatever the information it has already with you about your online activities, that needs to be deleted. Upon confirmation, click on the confirm to reset your current advertising ID. And subsequently, you need to delete your advertising ID. So you need to click on the delete advertising ID, and it will again give you the caution, and you need to click on and delete the advertising. So what actually will happen, that whatever the information it has about your online activities, that will be deleted and you will not have any advertising IDs. This is what will not let the Instagram, Facebook, YouTube to show you the ads whenever you talk about some product with some of your colleague, or you search online, and then you see that immediately those things are shown on the on your feeds as an ad. So these features are basically responsible for this. Do give this video a like so that the YouTube shows it to someone whose phone is also list. Thanks.